Here we come to the second to last final passenger elevator, which technically this is the third, as there are 3 elevators, but this is the last final elevator here at Fetzer Gymnasium at University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. They're doing like some training right there with the music, so... Oh, look at that! Look, both indicators lit up. Look at that, that is something. And the button is still lit. Interesting controller, and this one's got a fan. Some of the fluorescent bulbs are burned out. This one's got a fan as well. 4. Here's your phone. I'm not going to do a full round trip on this one. This is that fan. I don't know if this is hydro or traction, but it's got to be hydro because I don't even hear that motor well because of that fan. These are your fixtures. This is definitely an Otis. Yes, I'm wearing my Otis shirt today. Look at that lantern lighting up. I gotta show you that. Watch this. Watch the lantern lighting up. Oh, it didn't do that going up. Let's see if it does. Nope, it didn't light up that time. I'm gonna try one more time. Nope, it did not light up. I pressed both up and down and it didn't work that time, but mainly when the elevator car is coming. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.